Hi everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about abstract artwork. If you are someone who loves art but doesn't quite understand abstract art, then this video is for you. So let's get started. First of all, let's talk about what abstract art is. Abstract art is a style of art that doesn't represent reality in the traditional way. Instead, it uses color, shape, and to create a visual experience that is open to interpretations. One of the things that make abstract art so interesting is that it is open to interpretations. Everyone who looks at an abstract art will see something different. That is because abstract art is all about the emotional responsibilities. Now let's talk about some of the different styles of abstract art. Geometric. Geometric abstract art uses shapes and lines to create a sense of order and structure. It is often very precious and clean. Expressionist. Expressionist abstract art is all about emotions. It uses color and form to express feeling and ideas. Minimalist. Minimalist abstract art is all about simplicity. Now let's talk about some tips for appreciating abstract art. Don't worry about understanding it. Abstract art is not about understanding it. It is about experiences. So that is all about today's video. We hope you enjoy this. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel for more amazing content like this. Thanks for watching.